Today is Thursday, 1 January 2026, and I have got my first unboxing of the 2026 AD year. I'm Tanis Coralee of Seattle, and I placed an order. It arrived yesterday in the evening. Yesterday was Wednesday, 31 December 2025 AD, and I ordered some iPhone 16e provisions and some Brazil nuts. And so I think this is that. We'll find out. I'm filming with my iPhone 16e, and I've noticed with my filming setup, the phone currently fits, and so it's like with one of the provisions, I got to see if it'll still fit. Am I gonna have to make some adjustments on my filming setup? All right, so I got for the 16e, I went with the same brand for my XS, the Jet Tech screen protectors. It's a tempered glass screen protector, and I like it, and it works well. So I went with the same brand I have. So I got this. So to protect the screen of my device, I got an Apple product. Not everybody does Apple products for their cases. I went with a silicone case for this. I think it was called Lake Green. And I have been doing leather for my XS, so I switched it up. I was like, we'll see how this goes. So there we go. I'm not quite taking it out of the packaging. I'll see if I can do like eating with my 16e and XS, and I've done one perspective for each device, but maybe another perspective, and show like the phone has two faces. Show the other face of the phone, but show the case or something. And then up last, I got Brazil nuts. I've mentioned previously, it says Elan brand, E-L-A-N. And I've mentioned that my favorite nuts in order are walnuts, cashews, and Brazil nuts. And I have not had Brazil nuts on the channel, so I'll get some of those. They're a big nut. They're a very meaty nut. So save this for eating with, in addition to eating with the devices once they're all, in their protective garments, their personal protective equipment, do that. So, but yeah, so there we go. That's what we got. I got a screen protector as a case, silicone, and then Brazil nuts. So everything's accounted for that I ordered. Yes. And I'm Tanis Coralee of Seattle, and thank you for joining me for my first unboxing of this 2026 AD year.